To make this sizzling chicken and shrimp recipe, you want to start off by adding some olive oil to a pan and then adding some bell peppers and diced tomatoes. If you like onions, you can add them here too. You can use fresh or canned tomatoes. Next, you want to start prepping your chicken by wrapping it in saran wrap and beating the breast with a mallet until the chicken is about 1/4 inches thick. Always rinse off your chicken before cooking and pat dry. On a baking sheet or something similar, you want to add your chicken and sprinkle it with some seasoning salt, garlic powder, leaves of thyme, chili lime seasoning, and you want to also add some black pepper too. Now you want to turn on your stove on medium heat and add more olive oil. You want to cook your chicken breast on both sides until it's brown and no longer pink inside. If you're using a thermometer, the internal temperature should be about 165 degrees Fahrenheit. You don't want to overcrowd the chicken, so you want to cook these in 2 batches. Next, for the shrimp, you want to make sure they're already deveined and you want to rinse them off and pat them dry. Place those on a baking sheet and sprinkle chili lime seasoning on both sides. Inside your pan, you want to add some olive oil to the pan and some minced garlic. Cook the shrimp on both sides for about 3 minutes each. When you're done with them, they should be golden brown. If necessary, you want to cook these in about 2 batches. Finally, in your cast iron skillet, you want to heat it up on low to medium heat. Sprinkle your Mexican cheeses on the bottom and turn on your stove until it's melted. On top of the cheese, you want to add your chicken breast and your shrimp on one side. You want to add your peppers, onions, and tomatoes on the other half of the skillet. Once you finish loading up the skillet, you can drizzle everything with lime juice and parsley on top. This is optional.